So in this video here, we're going to talk about 10 reseller hosting marketing strategies. Whether you're just starting out or you already have a reseller business, I'm going to walk you through a couple of strategies that you can use to go in and boost your sales and also basically just get started with your reseller business. So first of all, when we're talking about reseller hosting, what is it? So it's basically just that you can rent a large piece of a server and then you can take chunks of that server and basically just sell that to other people, whether they want to do website hosting, blog post, and all of that. You can host that on your service. So you can create a lot of different services around it. You can go ahead and create different marketing strategies and so on around it, but you're basically just a middleman connecting clients with servers and offering this reseller hosting. So the first thing here, before we're going to dive into the 10 marketing strategies, is that the reason why it's important that you focus on your reseller marketing for your business is basically just to make more money. If you don't have any leads coming in, if people are not familiar with your brand and so on, you're not going to make any money. And the most important thing for most businesses out there is to actually generate money, generate income. And especially in this business here, where we're just a middleman connecting clients, we're renting a server space that we have rented from a larger company. So let's just jump straight to the first marketing strategy that you can use for your own business. So the first one is basically just to identify and create a way that sets your reseller hosting business apart from all the other ones out there, because there's tons of different reseller hosting companies. You need to find your own specific needs. You need to boil it down to specific customer base and so on if you want to focus on that, and basically also just to what do people like want to host their websites for. So you need to figure out if you want to focus on a specific niche of customers. Could be people like creating blog posts, could be creating web shops and so on, but it could also be that you just want to have customers where you're doing website designs for, so you can have all the product suite under your hood. So you're doing a website design and so on, and then you're also providing the hosting on top of that. Could also be like you want to have specialized website management and provide a ton of different tools and so on, like content management systems like WordPress and so on. You can basically just have specific customers only for that. So only if you want to host WordPress websites, you can go in and use that as your needs as well. But we need to identify and set us apart from all the other businesses out there, and that is really important if you want to grow big and get leads and money at the end. And that basically just leads to identifying who your target audience is and also your potential customers, because if you're missing out on the right people, you're just missing out of sales and also money. And that's why it's really important to do your research about your audience, identify it, and do marketing strategies specifically for that audience. We also need to create a unique and memorable brand. So the largest companies out there that have the best branding out there, if you're talking about like Apple, Google, all those guys, depending on like what they're doing, they just have such a unique brand and everyone just remembers that. And you can create the same, probably not at that scale, but again, we should focus on and actually like creating a unique brand where customers, they will come back again. You could provide services and so on that other reseller hosters are not doing. Website design and so on could be that you have some specific things that is unique for your own brand. Then we need to do a bunch of research, which is one of the best strategies out there, because we need to be prepared. We need to go in, research our competitors, see what are they doing, can I use something from them. And again, if you just want to get out there, get started, it's really good to go out and find ideas, information from your competitors, from all different types of companies and so on, and then basically just use some of the good things from them, and then basically go in and fine tune it and tailor it and add your own touches depending on how you want to have your business, brand, and everything around that. Then another good strategy is, of course, email marketing. Like most companies out there, like they have an email list where they're sending out newsletters. Could be that they have some new promos, bundles. Could also just be that they have some news that they want to share with their clients and customers, but also potential customers that could buy their service. So it's really good to have email marketing campaign, put a lot of time into that, and basically just make sure that you have the email list. You can reach out to people. Again, if no people knows your brand, you're not going to generate the leads and money at the end. And then we also want to build our brand and reseller hosting business through social media. So you can use different types of websites. We have Facebook, X, Instagram, and so on. Those are some really nice platforms to share information, to get out there, and basically just to reach more people. Also creating YouTube videos, blog posts, and so on is a very good way to help you grow your business and reseller hosting company. You'll have the algorithms work for you in your favor and basically just help you promote your stuff. So it's really important to have these channels, different social media channels for your company and reseller hosting business. Most important thing when you want to like build an audience and also just to get out there is to provide value for other people. People, they don't want to just like have promotional stuff everywhere here and there. You need to provide value in everything. The more value you provide, the more you'll earn as well. So it's all about solving problems for other people. And then getting out there on social media also goes very much in hand with starting a blog. So you can have different blog posts and so on. We have tons of blog posts on Verpex as well. You can go in and take a look at it. So right now we have this very in detailed 10 reseller hosting marketing strategies blog post, which is the same as this video here, but you can go in and read more details about it. But we also have this blog at the top to the right. So if you just go inside that one, you will get tons of different blog posts about web hosting strategies, different posts and so on, and then you can read more about all of it in here. So tons of blog posts in here, so that's a very good way and also a good strategy. It will improve your search engine optimization. You can provide more value for your customers, potential customers. So a blog is a good way to go in and help people and also land potential customers. And then we have number 8, which is like just offer the best customer support out there. Build your brand around your customer support. Make sure that people know you for the customer support that you're providing and also the help that you're able to provide to your clients. It will both help you grow the brand, but also make sure that the customers, they stick to you once you have them under the hood. And when we're talking about customers, another good way is to have an easy way to go in and add reviews about your service, the platform, all the different services and so on that you provide. So for reseller hosting businesses, make sure that you have like Google reviews, Facebook reviews and so on. Also the support tickets if you have like whole systems built all around that, but it could also just be social media business pages where you're engaging with your customers and also clients. So that's a very good way as well. Because again, the more trust you can build, the more reviews, the more positive reviews you have, and there will also be a higher chance that other customers would like your service as well, or like at least go with your service if they can see that there's tons of views, tons of positive reviews about your product and service, and then they will go with you. So the last one here is invest in online advertising, which is really important if you want to get out there, beat your competitors and so on. You can start on the smaller scale and then you can basically just build up from there. You can outsource the work, you can go in, find all the different things about it, and then it's just all about iteration and fine-tuning your online advertising and basically just keep making it better and better over time so you can scale it both for money but also to get a better reach. So online advertising is a good way to get specific needs and specific customers with all the different algorithms available out there from Google, Instagram, Facebook, and all of that. So these are 10 reseller hosting marketing strategies that you can use for your reseller hosting business. You can directly go in and use each one of them, and it's really important that you at least give it a thought if you can use one of the specific strategies in your own situation. You're going to find all the blog posts on the Verpex website if you want to know more details, and also check out the other videos that we have here on the channel where we cover pretty much everything within the web hosting space. It's Neil from Verpex. Thank you a lot for watching this video here. I hope to see you guys in one of the upcoming ones. Until then, happy hosting.